What if I told you there's a country of 100 million people, where the average person is 31 years old, not 45, not 38, 31, that's younger than the United States, younger than China, younger than virtually every developed market on Earth, and that single number tells you more about Vietnam's economic future than almost any other statistic. Let's put that in perspective. The United States has a median age of 38, Germany, 45, Japan, 49, China, 40, Vietnam, 31. When a country is this young, it means the largest portion of the population is entering their peak earning and spending years, buying their first homes, their first cars, opening bank accounts, taking out loans, consuming. This is what economists call a demographic dividend, and Vietnam is right in the middle of it. Global companies didn't move manufacturing to Vietnam by accident. Apple, Samsung, Intel, Nike, LG, they came because Vietnam has a young, educated, growing workforce, and that workforce doesn't disappear after the factories are built. Those workers become consumers, they move to cities. They earn more. They spend more. Vietnam's middle class is projected to double within a decade. That's what happens when 100 million young people move up the income ladder at the same time. So what does this mean for the stock market? Think about the sectors that benefit from a rising consumer class: banking, real estate, retail, technology.
Synthetic voice by VB.VN.
These aren't abstract themes, they're the actual sectors that dominate Vietnam's listed market today. When you invest in Vietnamese stocks, you're buying exposure to that demographic wave, early, before it fully plays out. Compare that to aging markets, Japan, Europe, even China, median age already 40, and rising. Vietnam is moving in the opposite direction. Demographics are one of the most powerful long-term forces in investing, and Vietnam's demographics are genuinely rare right now. A median age of 31, 100 million people, a middle class growing faster than almost anywhere else in Asia. This is the foundation underneath Vietnam's stock market, not hype, not a short-term trade, a structural story still in its early chapters. Follow the channel so you don't miss what comes next.